Joe from Mojo here, and today we're going to talk cold brew. Now, originally when I first started doing cold brew, I would take fresh ground French press grind coffee, put it in fresh reverse osmosis filtered water and let it sit for about 24 hours. The result is a cold brew that's really smooth, silky, chocolatey, but with a lot less acidity than you would get brewing the coffee hot. Until today, I figured out that there's a hack. There's a way to do cold brew in about 60 seconds or so using our trusted AeroPress. The AeroPress is a piston that was designed to give you the full bodiness of a French press, the cleanliness of a paper drip filter, and the pressure extraction of an espresso. But we've been doing it hot, and now we've actually been taught that there's a recipe to get an amazing cold brew in just seconds. So what you'll need today is your AeroPress, some fresh Ojo coffee ground, no hot water needed, a glass with some ice, and what I love to do on cold brew is top it with some cream. The only other ingredient I do not have in here right now is fresh filtered water, and I'll grab that after I'm done measuring out my dry coffee. So I'll take my Pico scale, put my AeroPress on top, and I'm gonna start grinding out some coffee, and I wanna use about 18 to 20 grams. I'm not really too concerned because in cold brew, you want the flavor. So if it sits in the water a little bit longer, it's okay. It's not going to affect your cold brew whatsoever. Perfect. I'm going to let her sit at 22 grams. Now I'm going to add fresh filtered water to this chamber. It is going to be cold water. What I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to set a timer, and the magic in the cold brew is 60 seconds of constant stirring. So if you've got the patience and the forearm strength to stir for 60 seconds, you can make cold brew quicker than the 24-hour method. We're at 30. The reason a 60-second stir is needed, it's agitation. Agitation, time, turbulence, and temperature all extract coffee. All three will do it, it just depends what your variable is. And in this case, we want to enhance time. And we've got 1 minute. So I can put my paddle to the side. I'll grab a filter. Again, you can use paper filter, you can use coffee sock filter. It doesn't matter. Place my filter over top. Get rid of the air that's in there. So I just got the beating of the coffee coming through. Have the ice. And I'm using the weight of my forearm to press that goodness over top the ice so it's cooling even more as I press. Now because I have 22 grams, my usual recipe is about 18. I can definitely feel a lot more resistance, but with the AeroPress, what you don't want to do is overdo it. Just keep your pressure on and the extraction will happen. What I love to do with this cold brew is top it up with a little fresh organic cream.